Bio-intensive gardening.
Hello everyone! Today, I am going to demonstrate how I do bio-intensive gardening. But first, let us know what is bio-intensive gardening is. Bio-intensive gardening, as the name suggests, is biological form of agriculture. A small area of a land is intensively cultivated, using nature's own ingredient to rebuild and then maintain the soil's productivity. At the heart of the approach is the effort to improve the soil's capacity to nurture growing seedlings in flat. We will provide fat soil and make sure it is moist. In this planting, we will use chili seed. First step is we should broadcast the seed directly to the soil. Make sure that your soil is loose, and we will cover the soil over the seed. This is the result of chili plant after 1 week. And we will make sure we water this plant daily. And it is the result after 2 weeks. And now it is ready for transplanting. But we should prepare the garden bed preparation before we start transplanting. We will then start preparing the garden beds, which will include the compost I made as well as an egg tray. The first step is to ensure that the compost is well mixed. This compost would help in the retention of moisture as well as the control of plant disease and pests. It also promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria and fungi that decompose organic matter into organic material, a nutrient-rich substance. Now, we must properly place the compost on the egg tray. It is not enough to fill it to the full. This is our garden bed, which we will be used for transplanting. Transplanting. Transplanting is the process of moving a plant from one location to another. And now, we will be transplanting this seedling into this egg tray, and I will use the pencil. We just gently loosen up the soil around the seedling. Try not to disturb the roots too much, and we just take the seedling out. Always try not to touch the stem of the seedling if possible, because we could damage the stem. And then, we just dig a little hole and then plop the seedling right down into there. We will just keep doing it until it's finished. I use an egg tray for transplanting so that we can do it hexagonally to have all of the plants consume the nutrients. Transplanting allows seedlings to be planted at a sufficient distance from one another, allowing the plants to receive ample amount of water, nutrients, and sunlight. This process aids in the selection of only good seedlings for crop cultivation. the last part is composting. Soil and eggshells are needed for our composting, but you can add vegetable waste or fruit scraps to your soil if you have them on hand, since it is the only thing we have at home. So, we will use eggshell. And we begin by breaking up the eggshell into smaller parts. Eggshell calcium is also beneficial in garden soil, where it helps to balance soil acidity while also supplying nutrients to plants. Eggshells have so much calcium in them that they can be used almost like lime, but you need a lot of them to create a significant difference. The next step is to add some soil to the container. Followed by the crushed eggshells. And then, we repeat the process. This process will speed up the rate at which the eggshells decompose in the compost.